will be the day my car goes to the inspection. Well, maybe not today, but in this video, I will take my car to the inspection, which I am talking about already for a very long time. And y'all are probably waiting for this. Well, no longer waiting for y'all, because this car, is almost ready. I'm just going to do like the little details and then I get my ass to the inspection. And I will take you guys with me so you can see how that's all going. So I hope you all are as excited as I am, because finally my car will have plates and finally I will start learning how to drift, power slide, whatever you want to call it. Which also means I will be having some more content for y'all. What I'm also very excited about, and I hope you do too. So let's cut the crap and let's start working. First off, I hear the weird noise coming from under my car while I was driving it. It was a little bit concerning, so I wanted to check on that first. And it was my caliper being loose and nothing hold on to it, so I had to grind a bolt I found in the hanger to the perfect length and connect it to the caliper, and everything was just fine again. The car was also overheating pretty quickly, so I had to order an engine radiator air guide, but it was a little bit tricky to install because the radiator wasn't standing 100% straight, so I had to fix that first, and after that everything was also perfectly fine. I was trying to take my fog lights out and obviously I had no idea what I was doing, but luckily there's nothing YouTube cannot solve, so I'm YouTube certified, you could say, like the most of us, I suppose. So there's a black clip in the back which you just can open with a screwdriver, and then the whole light comes out and you can unplug it much easier. Number one is already done. I expected it to actually be more difficult, but it's actually quite easy. So once in a lifetime of this E36, one thing can go rather easy. On the other side is obviously a lack of space. You can't even reach it from the top or even see it at the top. So maybe better to do it from down below, because as you saw so let's try. Wow, this is really uncomfortable. Yay! This is the mess I was talking about. I don't know why they did this, but it obviously didn't work. Thanks for the extra work though. I don't know what this is, but I think I'm going to cut it. Or maybe we can take it out here. The better option. Now that the fog lights are out, I need to look for some replacement in these holes in the bumper, because the inspection will tell me you suck and you can come back when this is fixed. So I'll fix this beforehand. Do I know what kind of plastic plates I'll put in there? No. But look at the mess of this hanger, so I'll find something. I already fixed the warning lights. I'll put some fragments here. Okay, just quick, in case you don't know how you have to switch this up, because I didn't know myself. You just have to separate the top part and the bottom part by clicking loose these clips on the side. Nothing much, nothing too difficult, and you're good to go. And fixed the rear view mirror, well, what you can call fixed, because it's broken already. But at least it's done, so this is actually the last thing that has to be done, including the seatbelts, because apparently they are not connected to the car. We can put the plastic plates in the back of the bumper and not in front. 9 centimeter en 21 breed. Look at that! Original BMW covers. They'll never believe that. It's probably better to take these holders out as well, so that there's not so much going on here. I don't know if this is good. This is good. This screw here is in the way, and I don't know how I would be able to get it out, so I'll be drilling a hole in the plastic. So So apparently the plastic has to be in front of the screw holes. So I had to find a method how to get this exact shape in this plastic so I can just get it in there without any issue. So I thought it would be a good idea to just tape it in, cut it out on the edges, put it on the plastic, and then we should have the exact shape of the fog light. I'm gonna need some prayers. Yeah. This should be it, right? I think this will turn out positive. I hope this will turn out positive. Moment of truth. Okay, let's go. Kom aan! Dat gaat dus weer niet goed, hè, jongens toch? It's kinda getting better now. I see that there are still a few gaps here and there. But I think the main issue is solved. I think the inspection looks just after screw holes and sharp objects, which are not there. So it should be fine, I hope. I'll just be adding some silicone in the corners, that I can cut it out perfectly, and then there are no gaps. Which will be a lot less risk and just cleaner. I'm not saying this is clean, because this looks crappy as fuck, but it will be cleaner in general. Wat een Dutch bank eigenlijk. I think the silicone is not the best idea because I don't have a silicone pump and I have to do it like this. Let me tell you, it hurts and it's a big mess. I'm just gonna leave this one for what it is now because I don't want to deal with this anymore. So up to the next one, which is the exact same, which means double trouble. Goed, let's go. I want another bumper anyway, so I can screw this one up as much as I want. I ordered something very interesting and very special actually. I've never seen it on any E36 before. It comes from America and I live in Belgium, so I don't know when that will arrive. But we'll see. It's very cool, very interesting, very unique and very special. What more do you want? Okay, good. We can start over again. It's not about the work you do, it's about the fun you have. Am I having fun? That's a tricky question. Only. Well, who cares? It fits. Is it the best? Absolutely not. Still gaps everywhere. But it's something, you know. Then I think this one is even better than that one, but who truly cares anyway? So my opinion on this, it kind of worked out, but it kind of didn't work out. Just depends on how you look at it. Yep. I'm not thinking so much at the moment. I think the best thing to do is to tape in these plugs to prevent water damage, because that's something we can really miss right now. Just taping in the back with the black tape as well. Wrap the plugs with zip ties around the areas that aren't really visible. This is what I was talking about, what I meant with my seatbelt isn't connected. It's not that big of a deal or that big of a job, but it has to be done. It has taken me actually a few weeks to notice that it wasn't adjusted to the car. Who am I? It is just screwing in this screw. But you have to take out the seats for that. That's what I'm gonna do now. Look, it has to get in here. So yeah, the seats have to come out to get better access to the little space there. First take off these protection caps and the rest speaks for itself. Just loosen it up and you could get the seat out. It's the first time I'm doing this. I've never taken out a car seat before, so I hope I don't break anything. So I got legal plates for once. So these are the number plates for my dad's car. It's just a Laguna, but you can register these plates on the chassis of the car you want to drive with. Or at least that's what they told me, because I did that once and the police stopped me and they weren't very pleased about the situation. I should be all legal, so let's get my car to the inspection.
One eternity later.
We are still here, and I have very bad brain fog. I think I left my brain at home. This is what it feels like. I left my brain at home, I'm sure about that. I failed. I'll put a picture here and translate everything because I'm a little upset. Well, not much I can do about it other than fixing the things on the list. So I still have a little bit of work. At least now I know the things that still have to be done. After everything I already did, I'll be fixing the things on the list and hoping on better luck next time, I guess. The special package I was talking about earlier in this video from America actually arrived earlier than I thought. Y'all ain't ready for this. Look at these guys. I'm a little bit struggling. This is gonna look so good. So these are over fenders for my E36 from K2 Industries. Thank you to K2 Industries for sponsoring this video and shipping me this package. It's absolutely amazing. The only problem is I never installed something like this before, so I hope everything goes well. But there's a first time for everything. So a huge thank you to you guys. I'll link these fenders in the description and I'll link their website in the description so you can check them out. This is sick, this is dope, thanks a lot. So in my next video I will do the touch-ups for my E36 to get to the inspection again, and I will be installing these beautiful things. If you want to see an unboxing video of the fenders, I posted a video on TikTok, so if you don't follow me there already, I'll link it down in the description so you don't miss out on anything. I'll link my Instagram down below, and if you're interested in that, you can check that out as well. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope I see you on my next one. Ciao!